fear. What is coming when you hear the word fear? Anxious. What is connected inside with it? Maybe you feel something in your body. Where do you feel it? How does it feel? Go into it. It's just 1 minute. Take this time. Get prepared. And know how to handle your fear when it's coming next time. And to get it more clear, visualize yourself in a situation where you have fear. If it's with spiders, then see the spider. If it's fear of death, fear of the fear maybe, or fear of freedom, what is your fear? Feel it in your body. It's okay, it's there for a reason, and only you can find it out. It's okay, breathe, you are still alive, it's okay. Whenever you ask yourself, what is behind? One day you will know it. Inhale. Charge yourself up with a smile. Let it get bigger. It's okay. It's over. Inhale again. Smile bigger. One more inhale. Smile even bigger. And with the exhale, release.